To do a very quick check of your devices, go to data.pacificgyro.com, put in your login and password and click sign in. And this brings you to the dashboard. And the dashboard gives you the latest quick position of your drifter. There's a map on top here, and there's a table below, and it shows you when was the last time these transmitted. You could also check the battery voltage, which is important, by double clicking on one of the icons above, and you'll see the battery voltage right here. In this case, it's 13 volts for this device, and also 13 volts for this one. Other videos will show you how to download data, plot data, etc. This is just to show you how to quickly look the status of your drifters.